What's up, guys? My name is William. I go by Zombie5oh. All they call it. Old girl right there. 2013 Mustang GT 5.0. I know this is gonna be a all over the place video. I'm new to this, but I had the Mustang. I got the old Dodge truck you probably saw in a little clip right there with the tires in the back, and I got a 2005 F350 Super Duty that I'll also be doing little fuel things on the channel. I'm here in beautiful North Carolina. Got plenty of stuff planned for the car, a lot of mods. We do a lot of track days, car shows, you name it, we do it. There's the 05 King Ranch F350 dually that also got an enclosed trailer. If I need to put the car in it, or I do a lot of buying and selling the four-wheelers and stuff like that. The truck isn't perfect, but she's paid for it, and it works out pretty good. Does what I need it to do. Pretty much all stock right now, except for exhaust, which I'm gonna do a muffler delete and whatnot on it here soon, along with a little bit of tuning and a few other little mods to help the old 6-liter out. Figure I can share a little knowledge with some people and whatnot. We'll see as time goes on. Getting ready to do a few things to the car today. Friday night we should be going to the track. We'll go see how that turns out. Car is pretty much bone stock for the time being. I do have some BMR suspension on it and Flowmaster axle backs and a few other little odds and ends, but nothing, performance wise at this time. But I do want to do boost in the near future, but that'll come maybe after the first of the year or something like that. I'm gonna just have fun with it for now and just go play a little bit and maybe not tear it up. I've already broke a transmission. Not even racing or nothing, leaving work, broke the second gear synchronizer or shift fork or something. So I in turn put a 2017 transmission in it and $1,300 McLeod RXT clutch in it right off the get-go. Still had 30-day tags on it right after I bought it, so I was a little upset about that. But the car runs good. I have ran it a few times, 8th mile, ran 805, pretty much bone stock. Hoping to knock those times down a little bit here, hopefully Friday night if we get some good weather, get the DAs down. But we'll see how that goes too. Well guys, of course, leave it to the parts store to mess something up. But there's the original stud, and well, they don't tailgate. The one I got from Napa is noticeably different, but it doesn't have the flat spot, but it will not pull in. So I guess I had to go to Ford tomorrow and get the correct stud. But as of right now, I guess I'll just stick it back together, put my go ahead and put the wheels on. I mean, Ford will hold it as long as I don't go to the track with it like that. So I'll have to put that in tomorrow afternoon when I get home. But everything should be all right. I just hate that, having to do something twice. But I guess I'll go ahead and get these things here, the old center caps stuck on the new wheels. Should look pretty good. Shouldn't take much, put them on and let her eat. Still working on getting these tires put on. I got all the center caps put in, pretty decent. I will say one thing I do not like about these wheels is that the center cap will not sit flush with the wheel. I'm not a big fan of that. I guess they do it because of the way it bevels, around the edges there. So, but we'll see how they look. Yeah, still got to finish getting the rear end installed and whatnot. This car is a Brembo car, so they are supposed to clear. I hope they will. I will know here in a few minutes. I know the rear will clear because I've already had 15s on the back before, and I already got sway bar relocation and all that on it. So we'll see how that goes. And I will insert a picture of my car with the old Dark Star race stars, which I wasn't a fan of because they had the shank style lug nuts. So, but let me get this thing together and get the tires on the left side mounted, and I'll come back at you right after that. Well guys, are you ready to see this new set of wheels and tires on the car? Well, here it is. Boom. They don't look bad. They got like a shiny finish to them. 275 60 15s in the rear. So they fill the wheel wells pretty good. Pretty much like a 28-inch tire. And I got 28 by 6 by 17s in the front. And they do clear the Brembo brakes. I'm thankful for that. Plenty of room. You can almost stick a tip of your finger through there. So what do you guys think? Which way looks better? The drag pack? Well, let me come around this side. Or the track pack wheels. Me personally, I do like the drag pack, but I will also be getting a set of 20s or something for just street driving or road trips or whatnot, because I don't really want to ride on the drag pack all the time, which they're not intended to anyways. The main reason I wanted wheels, I think it's this one. No, it's not this one. It's this one here. Big old curvage right there. Happened right after I got the car. Zaxby's parking drive-through lane. It's very narrow here in town, and it got me. So I was guilty. I was too close. So, but anyways, oh, there's the wife's car. 2018 Scat Pack 392 Charger. Pretty loaded. We got a great deal on it, so that's the main reason we got it. A whole lot cheaper than we could even buy a V6 around home, so we drove like 5 hours to buy it. Of course, had to get the windows tinted, and got a few little things we're gonna do to it. We're gonna do the mid muffler deletes and a few other odds and ends, but that's for another video. So we'll see. But I guess I'll get off here and try to get these other 2 tires put on right quick, and I'll come back right after that. Well guys, I got the tires all mounted up, minus one wheel stud. I still got to peel the stickers off that one because I don't like to leave the stickers on them. I did it on 3 of them. I don't know why I didn't do the last one, but all mounted up. Got that mean stance, looking all pretty. We'll see how they do Friday night. For some reason the car sits, it seems like it sits a little bit lower in the front than it does the back. But I know them Coney oranges are pretty much shot. They're junk.